think stone is silent?
You think Earth is still?
No. The mountains watch.
I am the breaker of bedrock, the roar beneath the roots,
The cliff that cracks the horizon in two. I do not stand, I crush. Every breath you take trembles through my ground. Every path you walk lies broken under me.
My name is carved in canyon walls, and canyons never forget.
I am the stone in your blood, the weight that settles in your soul.
I do not strike quickly. No, I let you sink.
I savor the moment your strength caves in like a tunnel with no supports. Your bones are gravel, your courage is sand, your gods kneel before my mountains. We do not shake.
We do not pray. We rave. We are Earthborn Tyrants. The world will bend beneath our mask.
Cry, fall, crumble.
It changes nothing.
The age of stone shall come to pass. We ascend through shifting bedrock. Let the peaks shake and kingdoms sink.
No mercy, no escape, no sky remaining. Only earth, only earth, only mine. Some break, bury them all. Stone is the only throne and
Things return to stone.
This is the wrong place for you, human.
No living soul reaches this canyon by accident
Then he was sent.
or summoned.
By whom?
That is what worries me.
Human, tell us who gave you passage.
And do not lie. The stone beneath you is already listening.